Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro Wireless Earbuds, designed to deliver immersive sound with advanced noise cancellation. Featuring customizable EQ, crystal clear calls, and a sleek in-ear design, they offer a comfortable and personalized listening experience. Plus, with long battery life and fast charging, they're built to keep up with your day. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro Wireless Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. The Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro features advanced active noise cancellation with switchable modes for different environments. Whether you're on a noisy street, in the office, or traveling, it intelligently reduces background noise to create a focused listening experience. This helps you enjoy music, podcasts, and calls with fewer distractions, delivering a more immersive and personalized audio experience anywhere you go. Equipped with Soundcore's PureNote Driver Technology, these earbuds deliver highly detailed sound with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. This ensures a rich and balanced audio experience, making your music, podcasts, and videos sound more immersive and lifelike. Through the Soundcore app, you can fine-tune your listening experience by adjusting EQ settings or selecting preset sound profiles. It also allows you to create a personalized sound profile based on your hearing, giving you audio that feels specially tuned just for you. This ensures every detail in your music is optimized exactly the way you like it, enhancing overall sound clarity and depth. The earbuds offer extended playback time on a single charge, making them perfect for all-day use. And with fast charging support, just a short charging session gives you several hours of listening time, so you're never without your music for long. This makes them ideal for travel, workouts, or busy daily routines where quick top-ups keep you powered throughout the day. Technical specifications. How to wear. Begin by selecting the silicone ear tips that best fit your ears. The earbuds come with multiple sizes, so you can pick the one that offers the most comfortable and secure fit. A proper seal not only enhances comfort, but also improves sound quality, giving you deeper bass and clearer audio. It also helps block outside noise naturally, so you can enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Gently place the left, L, and right R earbuds into your respective ears. Make sure the markings match each ear to ensure proper stereo sound. If necessary, twist the earbuds slightly while inserting so that the tips sit securely in your ear canal. This ensures the earbuds stay in place during daily activities, workouts, or commuting. Once in place, check that the earbuds feel stable but not too tight. The main body should rest comfortably in the outer ear, while the tip lightly seals the ear canal. You can make small adjustments by rotating or shifting the earbuds slightly until they feel snug and secure. This will prevent slipping and provide the best sound experience. How to pair? Start by downloading the Soundcore app from the App Store or Google Play. This app unlocks extra features like EQ presets, touch control customization, and additional settings to personalize your listening experience with the Soundcore Wireless Earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case, and they will automatically enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for your device in the available devices list, and select it to connect. The earbuds will then be successfully linked to your device. Once connected, open the app to confirm pairing if prompted. From there, you can adjust sound settings, choose EQ presets, and customize touch controls based on your preference. After setup, your earbuds are fully ready for music, calls, and everyday use. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. The charging case supports Qi wireless charging. Simply place the back of the case, where the wireless charging contact is located, onto a compatible charging pad. Make sure the case is properly aligned with the center of the pad to ensure efficient charging. The LED indicator will turn on to confirm charging, and you can leave it on the pad until fully charged for convenient cable-free use. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.